Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install payment-enabled charging with ChargeHub, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary materials for installation. This includes the ChargeHub unit, payment module, necessary cables, and tools. Ensure you have a suitable location for installation, ideally near a power source. Before installation, read the user manuals for both the ChargeHub and payment module. Begin by turning off the power to the area where you will work. Remove any existing outlet covers or enclosures in the installation area. Use a stud finder to locate a suitable wall space for the ChargeHub. Mark the position where the unit will be mounted. Drill holes into the marked spots based on the mounting template provided with the ChargeHub. Attach the ChargeHub to the wall using screws and anchors as needed. Next, connect the power supply to the ChargeHub according to the manual. Make sure all connections are secure and properly insulated. Now, it's time to install the payment module. Refer to the payment module's manual for precise installation instructions. Connect the payment module to the ChargeHub using the provided cables. Ensure the connection is tight and the cables are not loose. After the modules are connected, turn the power back on. Check that both the ChargeHub and payment module are receiving power. Next, follow the initial setup instructions for the ChargeHub. This might include configuring network settings and connecting to Wi-Fi. Once connected, proceed to set up the payment system. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your payment processor. Calibrate the payment module as needed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Test the charging functionality by connecting a device to the ChargeHub. Finally, run a test transaction through the payment module to ensure everything is working seamlessly. If all functions are operating correctly, secure any covers or enclosures removed earlier. Your payment-enabled charging station is now successfully installed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.